everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ankita Malik, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to create this dark eye makeup look. So let's jump into the video. So I'm gonna be using just two shades from the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette to create this makeup look. So I already did my base makeup. Now I'm gonna be moving straight into the eyes. So I'm taking this Wet n Wild Color Icon eyeshadow quad in Bed of Roses, and I'm first picking up this shade right here, and I'm just applying it on my creases with a fluffy brush. You know the drill how to apply it. I'm just applying first on the outer corner and then slowly taking it, blending it all the way towards the inner corners. And I'm buffing that out on the outer corner. So I'm making sure that I blend all the shadow that I apply very well, and I'm slowly building up the color because it is a very dark color. So I'm trying to apply in a very less quantity, and I'm slowly building up the color with the help of the brush, and I'm just buffing that out on the outer corners. And also I'm making sure that I take it all the way towards the inner corner. And also I'm applying a bit more on the outer corner, and I'm just buffing that out. I'm just making sure everything is well blended and it looks smooth. So that's how it looks after I blend that out. Next I'm taking this darker shade right here, and I'm using a fluffy angled brush here. So what I did is I just tied a rubber band around to make it a bit dense, and I'm using this brush to pick up the shade, and I'm just packing it all over my eyelid, and that way it also helps me to reach towards the inner corners of my eyes. So here I'm just applying the shade all over my eyelid, and very slowly and very lightly I'm just packing the shade to avoid any fallouts. This is a really very good eyeshadow. You won't get any fallouts, but still I'm trying to make sure that I just pack the darker shade all around my eyelid so that I don't get any fallouts. So here I'm just alternating between two brushes. The brush I used to apply the shade on my creases, I'm using the same brush, and I'm just using it around my creases so that the two shades looks well blended and well diffused into each other. And also I'm using the angled brush to apply the second shade all around my eyelid, and I'm gradually deepening up the shade. And also I'm using the fluffy brush, and I'm just blending out all around the edges so that both the shades are diffused into each other and looks very smooth. So next what I did is I used the same two shades together, and I'm using a flat brush. I'm just applying it all around my lower lash line, and I'm making sure that the corners are well connected to each other. I'm using the fluffy side of the brush to blend it all out to make sure it looks smoked out. Next, I'm using this Rimmel Eye Definer pencil and I'm just applying the kajal on my waterline. And using the smudger side, I'm just smudging it all. I'm also using the flat brush and I'm just making sure the eyeshadow and the kajal are well diffused into each other and it looks smoked out. So I'm just deepening up the kajal a bit more and again using the flat brush to smudge that out around the outer corners. Next, for mascara, I'm taking this Maybelline New York the Colossal Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. And before that, I just took my lash color and I'm just curling up my lashes. And then I'm just using the Maybelline mascara and I'm applying it on my upper lashes and also on my lower lashes. I also used some Nykaa false lashes, and make sure after you apply the lashes you push the lashes towards the lash line so that it doesn't comes off. Next, just push the lashes in the upward direction so that your natural lashes and your falsies are in same line and it looks natural. So this is the final eye makeup look. So the rest of the makeup I did off camera. All the details are mentioned in the description box below to check that out. And this is the final look. I hope you really loved the eye makeup, how it turned out, and I hope you loved the look. And this is it.